Today, boys and girls, we're just going to do a little bit on capital letters and periods again. To just review, I want you to look at my story here that I wrote about my bowl of Cheerios again. We're going to look if I started sentences with capital letters and put periods at the end of the sentence. Let's look at this. I started that sentence with a capital letter, so I'm going to circle it. I poured myself a bowl of Cheerios. That's the end of my thought. I put a period, and my next letter was a capital letter. I couldn't wait to take a big spoonful of my Cheerios. That's the end of my sentence. I put a period. Okay, next one. I started my sentence with a capital letter. I'm going to circle it. I poured milk into my cereal, but it wasn't my cereal. That's the complete thought. That's the end of my sentence. I'm going to circle my sentence, and I'm going to put an arrow, and look, I put a capital letter, didn't I? It was in my water cup. End of my sentence, period. My next word started with a capital letter. I said yuck. That's the end of my sentence. This time I put an excitement mark. And my next letter, if you look, was a capital letter. I felt disgusted. That's the end of my sentence. I put a period. Okay, my new sentence starts with a capital letter. I'm going to circle it. So I poured out my water and poured milk into my cereal. That's the end of my thought. I put a period. I started it with a capital letter. Then I ate my cereal. That's the end of my thought. I put a period. I started my next one with a capital letter. It was delicious. And I ended it with an excitement mark. Now, I want you to take one of your pieces of writing, and I want you to do the same thing I did. I want you to circle the capital letter if you put it at the beginning of the sentence. If you didn't, I want you to write one in. I want you to circle your period or excitement mark, and then I want you to draw an arrow to the next word to see if you put a capital letter. I want you to go through and do that with all of your sentences, working on capital letters and periods today. Okay, take one of your pieces and go through and do that.